Hi everyone, today we are going to make hot milk butter cake. It's very simple, very tasty sponge cake. So let's get started. Ingredients what we need are 1 cup of maida, around 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. If you can reduce the quantity if required, and then around 80 grams of butter, half cup of milk, 2 egg in room temperature, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So let's get into the process. First we'll take a pan and into that we'll pour the half cup of milk. Okay. Into the milk now we will add the butter. So here I've taken around 80 grams of butter, and after adding butter we don't have to boil the milk for long. We have to only ensure that the butter is getting melted. So keep the flame on medium and then allow the butter to get melted. So once it is ready, once it is melted completely, then we will take it off the flame and then we will start the next process. Into a bowl we'll just break in 2 eggs and then we need to gently beat it once, and then we will start adding the powdered sugar. So here I've taken 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, and after adding the powdered sugar, do not turn on the blender immediately because the powdered sugar will get blown over all over the place. So just mix it once and then we will turn on the mixer and then blend it thoroughly till it turns fluffy and doubles in size. So in the meantime we should also add around 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and then beat it nicely. So once it turns fluffy, then we will start the process of mixing dry ingredients. So here for dry ingredients I've taken 1 cup of maida. Into that I'm adding around 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Then we will sieve it once or twice so that the maida, the baking powder and the salt is well combined. So once that is ready, now we need to combine both the dry ingredient and the wet ingredient. So into this egg mixture now we will start adding the flour little by little, and using the cut and fold method we will slowly and gently keep mixing the flour into this egg mixture so that there are no lumps in it, and do not overdo it so that we'll break all the air bubbles. So just do it gently, and once it is all mixed well, then into this now we will add the milk and butter mixture which we had prepared earlier. So just pour it into this, and then we need to again mix it and then combine all into a very fine and smooth batter. So once the batter is ready, then it is a baking process. So for baking, here you can see the batter is ready now. It is soft and a smooth and silky batter. So this is the consistency we need. So here the pan is ready. I've just kept the butter paper and kept it ready. So into that I'm adding the mixture, the flour, the cake mixture, and then we need to bake it. Either you can bake it in the oven or on the stove top. So I'm just tapping it once or twice for the air bubbles to get removed. So in the oven we need to preheat it at 180-degree temperature and then bake it for around 30 minutes. So here the cake is ready now. It is cooled down as well. So now we can remove the butter paper smooth. It will come out very easily, and then I'll show you how soft and fluffy the cake looks. So the cake has completely cooled down now. You can see how soft and fluffy the sponge is. We can now cut it into desired shape. Here I'm just cutting it into rectangle pieces. So when I'm cutting itself, you can see how easy and smooth it is. It's just easy to cut. So soft the cake is, and the aroma of the butter and milk as it is getting baked, it just fills your kitchen with the aroma of this, and it tastes yum too. So hope you all liked it. Please do try once. It's very easy and tasty evening snack to have along with tea. So you can see how fluffy the soft the sponge is. So please do try once, and thank you so much for watching, and thank you for all the support.